So how can you view and open snaps multiple times without the sender knowing about that? Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so please follow up with me. First we open Snapchat and go to a conversation where you can have some snaps. Tap on the snap to open it once, just like that. To open it twice, hold it for a second and then tap on it again. Now as you can see, opened twice. Now let me show you how can you open more than twice. First we need to go to your control center from the top and turn on the airplane mode. After you're done from that, go ahead and open the snap once. Again, hold it for a second and then tap on it to open it twice. Now we quit Snapchat completely and go ahead and clear data if you are on an Android. If you're on an iPhone, just uninstall the app completely. So just like that, I'm going to clear data since I'm on Android. And once I'm done from that, turn off the airplane mode and log in back to your account on Snapchat. And just like that, you can find these snaps unopened, just like that. You can tap on them and these snaps will be opened like you have done it for the first time. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.